Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? So, I'll get straight to the point, just like the title says, my bike got stolen. Just a quick video just to update you guys on what exactly happened. Um, Today is what? Today is like the 11th of August. About a week ago, just slightly over a week ago, my dirt bike got stolen at home, out of all the places as well. It was at night. It was pretty surprising to me because I woke up the next morning and I was just doing the regular thing. And next thing I know, I'm looking for my bike, and I'm like, okay, did somebody move my bike? Because it wasn't in the place where I usually park it, which is a young garage arrangement. So I called security. Security didn't know. They thought I went out with a bike at night, and it's like, dude, who goes out on a motocross bike at night with no lights? So yeah, that was that, and yeah, it was quite bad. It was quite bad. Did the whole police report thing, and yeah, they were supposed to do their things. Investigated, no, not really investigated anybody. Just took the report, and yeah, didn't really go as planned with the police and everything. And yeah, like later on that week, I got a call from somebody, and they were like, "Hey, dude, um, we found a dirt bike that fits your description." This was from some security guys from Zambia Sugar. So I was like, okay, I hope it's mine. They said, no, it's a red bike when the bike is orange. So, red, orange. Yeah, whatever. So I was like, okay. And I was still busy doing stuff at that time. So I was like, okay, let me finish what I'm doing and let me go and see what they're talking about. So on my way, okay, not really on my way, I had a breakdown with the car. So it was like, oh gosh, you can't be serious. Have to deal with this, have to deal with everything else. And yeah, eventually I got to the guy's position of where it was and everything. And yeah, found him waiting with the kids, some kids who were hunting in the farms where it was found. So it was actually the kids that found it whilst they were hunting, and they went to go and report at one of the depots for Zambia Sugar. So I'm like, oh my goodness, this is crazy. Thank goodness those kids, were right there, because it was gone for days, for days. So yeah, after that we yeah, called a buddy, Doug. Doug came through, told him that dude it's been found, and yeah, came over with his van, and we loaded up the bike, took the bike back home, parked it in a very, very safe place because I don't feel like having any more nightmares. But yeah, long story short, the bike was found. Thank God it was found, and it was. I took it for a ride properly today. It felt a bit offish. Maybe it's because I haven't ridden it for like 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a couple of changes to it, like change the oils. Yeah, basically just the fluid stuff. And apart from that, what else? It's running okay. It was just like really, really, really cold, so it wasn't like pulling. But after I got warmer, it started pulling for days. So yeah, and apart from that, my back tire is clapped. So yeah, I need a new back tire because it's not gripping for shit. But yeah, that was just oh yes, they really did try to steal it. They did. I think the problem is the bike is so heavy that they struggled with pushing it. And yeah, they just dumped it. They left it abandoned in the bushes. So yeah, that was the whole story. And they seized the battery. The battery had died. It was like completely flat. And I noticed that they tried because the choke was on. So they definitely did try their thing. And yeah, thank goodness they didn't get away. So my advice to you guys: keep your bike safe. Anything safe, really. It's tough these days, so everybody's looking for something. Doesn't matter how they get it, but they are trying to get something. So ensure your items, and yeah, that was a young update. Hopefully I'll have some riding videos up soon, some photo shoot videos up soon, because I've been slacking. And yeah, that's basically it. Peace.